Hello everyone and welcome to Ajiro Tech. Ajiro Tech. In this video we're going to be looking at the CIE IGCSE Information and Communication Technology with the course code 0417, paper 3, website authoring, February March 2021. Okay, so we're going to be looking at it. So let's dive right in to website authoring. And the variant is 3.1, just in case you're wondering. You have been supplied with the following source files. Okay. Tax 1, evidence document. Create a new word process document. I think I have it right here. Okay. We didn't create it in our data analysis video, so we're going to do it here. Okay. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of the document. Okay. So I'm just going to click on insert header. Okay, gel nd en 017 2023. Save this evidence document your work area as M21 underscore copy by your center number, candidate number. For example, we have that. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. Click on file, click on save as. We're going to save this here. Center number en 017 underscore 2023. I want to be sure. Yes. Okay. You need your evidence document during the examination to place screenshot when required. Task 2, image editing and file management. Create a new folder called Ocean. Okay. Let's create a new folder called. I'm going to create a folder here. Okay. Okay. That's how to create a folder, just in case you don't know how. Locate the following files and store them in your Ocean folder. Okay. Okay. I have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think this is not part of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. Right click, cut. Right click, paste. So we have 6 items here. Alright. Open the file M21 whale-shark.jpg in a graphic package. Edit the image by. So we're going to open it in a graphic package. I use Paint to open it. The Paint.net. I currently have the latest feature, the latest version, which is 5.0, 5.0.2. Okay. Obviously, this software is. The setup is actually sent to my student on the Google Classroom so they can access it, but this is just the updated version. So probably the one I sent there was the 0.1, so obviously they can just update it or to make it actually free and very easy to use. Okay, so let's go ahead. That's enough commercial for Paint.net. All right, so edit the image by. For the life of me, I have not even it. So open. Okay, this is the image. Okay, rotating it 90 degree clockwise. 90 degree clockwise. Okay. All right. Reflecting is also the same thing as flipping it horizontal. Reflecting, sometimes you reflect, sometimes you flip it. They're the same thing. Horizontally done. Copying it to remove the text. Now what you do, I'm going to click here, your rectangle, and I'm going to select this part right here to the end. Okay. And I'm going to click on image, crop to selection. Copying it so that the whole shark is visible and the crop image is 500 pixels wide by 1200 pixels high. What I'm going to do is this, okay? I'm going to do this. It says 500 pixels, right? Okay. Now I'm going to click here to move, and I'm going to adjust it with my arrow key gently. I'm using my arrow key right to do this, because what we are simply doing is we're cropping it so that the whole shark is visible and the crop image is within that. I think it's visible. This is okay. Now I'm going to crop it. So we're cropping it so the whole shark is visible. Okay. So let's resize. So 500, 1200. Okay. Save this image in your Ocean folder in PNG. So we have WS underscore followed by your candidate number. Okay. Copy. Click on file. Click on save as. (2023). Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Auto detect. I think auto detect works better. Just gonna use auto detect. Yeah. Okay, so display the content of your folders. Now, in my own file, in my own the properties here, the only thing missing is the dimension. Okay, probably in yours it could be something else, but in mine it's just the dimension that is missing. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add. Okay, I have the dimensions here, so that's good. So so I'm going to take a screenshot right now. Yeah, my slipping tool. Okay. Um, okay, this is done. Evidence one. Okay, I'm just going to build this evidence. Evidence 3, evidence 4. Okay, I'm going to paste this here. Okay, so you can see the folder name, file name, the type, the sizes, the dimension. Obviously, they want to see that this is 500 by 1000, and this name was actually set to WS underscore your candidate number. They want to see that as well. Please ensure that the background here is white and not dark. Okay, so that's 6 marks. You're going to create a web page and a style sheet to promote ocean conservation. The web page and the style sheet must work in any browser. All color code except those provided in the source file must be in hexadecimal. Make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML. Make your HTML and style sheet as efficient as possible. Create in your folder a web page called ocean.html. So I'm going to open my web expression. Okay, close this, click on file, HTML, click on file, save as. Okay, do I have it? Ocean, I want to be sure. Okay, so just a quick preview. This is the HTML tag, this is the head, this is the body, and the closing tag for each of them. Now, obviously, this is in percentage, not in pixels. Let me be sure. Each table cell is identified with a ladder. Some dimensions are shown. This must be set as percentage values and not in pixels. I want to explain this. Now, when it comes to percentage, it's different from pixels because at the end of the day, we have the width specified, and for each of your table data, the width for each of your table data, if not specified, the default is 100%. Okay, and you need to know this. Now, the web page is created using a single table and work in all browsers. The table must fit 80% of the browser window. The table must have a structure as shown in this diagram. Okay, so this is, let's start with counting. Just going to do this a bit, so I want to see an overview of the table. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do that. Table, insert table, 5 rows. Okay, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The column is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 column. Okay, 4 column. Okay, and the width is 80%. It's 80%. Okay, and we're going to click on OK. You can see that actually 80% of this, right? All right. Now, let's start merging. I'm going to split my screen when I do this so you see the difference. Right click, it's been selected, click on modify, click on merge, and then you can see that this is a color span because the columns were merged. Okay, this was also merged. Right click, click on modify, merge cell. This is the column span. 1, 2, 3 was merged as well. Okay, and this was also merged as well. Right click, modify, merged. You can see that we changed to column span. The second one as well. Right click, merge. Okay, so let's start applying the dimensions. For the first one, the height is 15%. Click on cell properties. The height is 15%. Now, unlike in your pixels, that you can literally leave it, for the percentage, it has to be complete. So for your width, the width is going to be 100% because in that table, in that cell, it has to be complete, right? You don't want it half, so it has to be complete percent. Okay, so you have 100% of the width and a 50% height right there. So I'm going to apply it. Nope, we don't need to do this. Nope, we don't need to do this. Yeah. Okay, you can just type 50% is fine. It's still gonna work. So right, and check the coding to see. Yes, the height is 15%. Right. This let's talk about the second one. For the B part, set properties. The width 75%. The height is 5%. Apply. Okay. The height here is 10%. You can see that this is 75, 25, 100%. You know what? Let me add the width. Let's add the width here. So I think we add the width to be 100%. Okay, so it's important we add the width as well. Line. If you go to the code, you see that has been added as well. And the height for this, right click, cell properties. The height is 10%. And the width here is 75%. Okay, that has been applied. I'm going to do the down. Click on cell properties. We have the height. %. And the width is 100%. Right here, the width is cell properties 25%. The height is 45, 10, that's 55, plus 20, that is 75. So the height is 75. %. Don't worry that the table is not being is as long as it's applied, you don't have to worry about it. Don't panic. Okay, don't panic. I think this is the other part that is remaining. Let's check. Yes. So this is going to be 25, 20. Right click the cell properties. The width is going to be 25%. And the height is going to be 20. Now you can go to your code to check that whatever you've done is the same thing. Very important. Okay. What is the width? Okay. It's important that you check through. Very important. Now, why are we making the width 100%? Because here is 75, here is 25. So the width of this, although the entire table is 80% of the entire table, but the width itself is 100%. Okay, so in percentage, each the width has to be 100%. Okay, all right. I think everything's fine. So let's go. And that's 40 marks. They said the cell content show the diagram must not appear on your final web page. Table borders must not appear on the final web page. Both the cell content in diagram and the borders must not appear. So let's go. Place in cell A the image M21 banners. Where is A? Okay, this is A already. Okay, so we have A right here. All right, so let's place it. You can actually insert it pictures here, or you can actually do it here, right? Okay. Now for alternative text, I like using alternative text. Okay, so I'm going to type banner just in case the picture doesn't load on time. Whoa. Let's save this. Let's open it in. Yeah, let's open it here. So obviously this is not 80% because this is 100%. 80% should be here, right? So obviously something is wrong in the coding, so we have to fix it. They said, okay, place an inline style attribute into your HTML so that each image fits the width of the table cell with its aspect ratio maintained. Okay, so with this aspect ratio maintained. So what we're going to do right now is to make sure this fits. So we're going to place an inline style into the HTML so that each. Okay, so what we're going to do now is this. Um, I'm going to go to the code. And I'm going to place an inline style. So apparently I'm going to have style equals to the width. Sorry, I knew something was wrong. So we have style equals to the width. Okay, and the width is what? 100%. Okay, so we're going to save this. We'll come here, we're going to reload it. So we have this. Let's reduce this. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. This is 100%. Now, if we do this, you see that it's still maintaining this. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's do this. B, a placeholder to fill the width of the cell containing the video clip. So for B, I want to check what B is. Okay, that's B. Okay. This is B right here. I'm going to click on insert, click on media, Windows Media, all file. Is it playing here? Okay, I'm going to click on the object tag. This, okay, display an automated text message, text-based error message if the browser does not support. Okay, so this will mean that the browser does not support this. Copy. This will be alternative presentation video type. going to apply it. Okay, now I'm going to go to my code. I'm still going to work on the inline style so that each image or video fits. Okay, so but first, now let's save this and let's see what we've done. If we go back here, uh, you see that the browser does not support this video type. Is that it? Okay, and okay, it does not support this video type, and that's what we want to see. Okay, but it needs to show a video. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to put the video tag right here. So I'm going to do video. Okay, this is going to be the source. SLC is going to be, it's going to take all this to, let's use it. And the type is going to be a video slash mp4, because an mp4, whatever the extension is, that's what you put here. We don't actually need this. I'm going to put an inline style here. I'm going to close this video as well. Okay, I'm going to put a style here. Width 100%. But I want to see something, guys. What was the width? The width was 75, not 100. So I'm going to put 75. Okay, and I'm going to save, and I will go back here and play this. Okay, okay, let me see. I think this should work now. Let me see the question. Now, let me see. Comment. Literally, should play. But let's go back. It could be just something we're not seeing. Um, we have the style here. Let me see 100%. I highly doubt that's the reason. Nope. I think, guys, this just control. You know what? Let me do this. They said, let me see. It says the inline so that each image fit the width. So, like I said, each of the width is going to be 100%. I don't think we need this. I'm just going to save this and go back in. Okay, this is what we want. Yes, but it's not playing. You know what? Let me do this. Is it meant to play? Yes, it's meant to play. Okay. Let me open it in a browser. Let me open it in Chrome and then let's see. Um, Let me see width. It's filling all the width, so each of the image has to fill the width. Um, I want to be sure. Is that the? Let me copy this. No, let me do this. Let me right click, go to properties. Yes, copy and install MP4. It's the same. Okay. You know what? I'm going to come back to it. So let's go on. I'm going to come back to it. Probably we'll find a solution to it. I'm going to come back to it. So let's go ahead. See the image WC that you saved in step 1. This is going to be for C. So let's put this in C. Okay. So I'm going to image. So this, the alternative text for this is going to be whale shark. Just going to copy this whale shark. Okay. I'm going to come here where I'm going to put up a style. So I'm just going to save this. Okay. Probably I'm just going to type this here, style equals to the width 100%. Okay, I'm just going to copy this and cut it because I don't want to scatter anything. Okay, so obviously it's going to, I'm just going to copy this. Okay, save. Okay, all right. So if we put this, you will see that they are all within that width. Okay, place in cell D the content of the file m21 ocean.txt. Okay, in cell D the content of the file. Where's cell D? Okay, cell D, going to, okay, I think this is the content here. I just want to be sure. Ocean. Okay, right click, select all I've done, right click, copy. Okay, design. Okay, just be careful. So we're actually here. I'm going to paste this. Display the text as two paragraphs. Done. Add as a third paragraph the text updated by Ajiro ND, AN 017, 2021, 23 rather. Okay. Apply the style P to all the text in cell D. Done. Okay, this was not being saved. Save it. Okay. Place in cell EFG. Okay. Species. What are we applying? H1. Okay, the next one is ocean waste. Copy. Contact to help us. Contact to help. Place in cell G the content of the file m21 text.txt. In cell H. So let's open the content. I'm just going to close this. I'm going to right click, click on select all, right click, copy, right here, paste. And what are we applying? We're applying H2 to this text. Okay, click on file, click on save. Attach the style sheet M21 Ocean.CSS to this web page. Let's attach it. Now there are so many ways to do this, to attach your work. You can click here, or you can click on insert, and you can click on format to do this. Styles, attach style sheet. I'm going to open it. Okay, I'm going to save my work. Open and edit the style sheet. Let's edit it. Click on file, click on open. Okay, center align all tables within the browser window. Right click, modify the style. Right here on box, uncheck this. The right is going to be auto, the left is going to be auto. I'm going to apply this. What else? Set the background for this web page so that it has a color. So that's the background. I'm going to OK it. Background means we're adding a new style called body. Body. And we'll be talking about the background color. Like I said, I'm just going to pick any color and then we can work on it. Set the background of the web page so it has a color with remember it's RGB, don't forget, which is your red, green and blue. RGB, right? So your arrow is 9A, and your G is AB, and your B is D5. Apply it. Okay. Set the font for the style H1, H2 and paragraph. Okay. H1, H2, paragraph. So that the browser selects sans serif. Okay, I'm just going to look for sans serif. So the browser selects the font area. Okay. If not available, the browser displays the font Vendana. Copy. And if neither of these fonts is available, the browser should display if the font sans serif font. Okay. Alright, I think we're going to apply this. Alright. H1 to be center line. Okay, center line. Okay, that should be, yes, text align, center, apply. Okay, H2 and paragraph. H2 and paragraph style as fully justified. Okay, justified. Okay, apply. Okay, all right, so we're done. Add your name, style sheet, and candidate number as a comment at the start of the style sheet. Okay, I'm yet to see any color code there. Just no color. Okay, and don't bother about this. It's because our comment is open. I'm going to close it. Comma an 017 comma 2023. Now I'm going to close it with this. Now we have it back at the beginning. Okay, so I'm just going to do this. I'm going to arrange it in this fashion. But I think we actually followed it. So literally we did. We didn't do, yeah, we followed it. So the next thing we're going to do is take a screenshot to show the file name and the content of your style sheet. I've not forgotten the video, guys. I'm going to fix it. Okay, this is going to be what? Evidence 2. Okay, so now this is where we fix the issue. Okay, so let's fix the issue quickly. So I'm going to go right here and okay, it's not showing, it's not playing rather. Now let me go back to the code to see what happened. What did I do? Oh, this is it. Yeah, it's not playing, but it's fine. So the video style is this. The source is this. Oh. I knew there was something wrong. We don't have controls, guys. Controls. Knew something was wrong. I knew it. Knew it in my spirit. Okay. That's what is happening. Okay. I'm going to save it. Now this is going to play. I was just thinking of something. What do I do? Okay, and now this is going to play. Yeah, yes, it's going to play. Okay, obviously there's no sound to it. It's going to play. So now if we do this, obviously we want to see how we can put this. For some reason we're unable to take the, I want to go to my table structure just to be sure that we're doing the right thing. So this is 25 and this is 75. Yes. Okay, so that has been solved. So probably if you've been watching my video, probably you just guessed it. I didn't say it, so it's a common error. I didn't say it. Okay, yeah, I didn't say it. Okay, okay, I know, right? One of those days. He didn't even see it. He was literally there. Controls. Okay. All right. Display the HTML source of your page in your editor. Take a copy of it. So now I can take a copy of it in piece. Right click, select all, copy. This is going to be what? Evidence 3. Okay. Right click. Okay. Just going to do this. Remove space after paragraph. I think we should be good. Display your web page in your browser if necessary size so that all the page can be seen, all text can be easily read, the address bar is visible. Place your evidence document screenshots. You can see that it's more than one showing the web page in your browser. So obviously, probably they've tried it and they knew that this is the only way possible. Okay, so let's see what we can do here, right? Let me do this. It's going to work. Nah, it's not even working. Don't even go there. It's not working. So, what do we do? Let's see what we can do. Let's reduce this. Guys, we might have to do a lot of multiple screenshots because my system is, let me check here. It looks like it's 250. Can we do 50? We still have to take multiple screenshots. Okay, this is what we do. Thinking of the best way possible. Let me see. Okay, I can take the screenshot literally right here. Probably this is, I can do this. I'm going to take the screenshot, right? I can leave it on the title one, it's fine. But let me see. I don't like it to be on the title one. What do I do here? I'm going to call this ocean. And this simply means I don't have to do that copy ocean. Okay, I'm going to save. Now I'm going to go to my code and just quickly go to the title here and just do the same thing here. So I'm not taking any screenshot again, or I'm not taking a copy of it, right? And I'm going to click on file, click on save. Then what do I do now? If I right click on this, okay, so which is better? Okay, we're talking about this. Okay, so I'm going to take a screenshot of this. This seems better. I'm going to take a screenshot. Okay, and I'm going to, this is going to be what? Scroll down, almost done. all the page can be seen, all the text can be easily read. This is going to be evidence 4. Okay, the next one we're going to do right now is we're going to do this. So at this point we're going to increase it. Okay, take another screenshot. Okay, let me do this. This is not so easy for me right now. Okay, I'm going to take everything. I'm going to take everything. Okay, and I'm going to post it here. Take this off. And I'm going to do that here as well. Now I've taken this part. Okay, I'm going to go back here again, and I'll have to take this part. We don't have a choice, we just have to do it. I don't know what part I took. You know what, guys, let's do this. I think the first one is better, so let's stick with the first one. I'm just gonna do this. I think the first one is better, so let me do it. I'm gonna do everything here, right? Okay, I've done this. I'm going to now, it's not showing, so I'm just going to increase it a bit. It has to be clear and legible, so this is better. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take the screenshot. Okay, I don't have a choice because I want it to be legible, so I'm just going to add this here, right? I'm just going to add this here. Hopefully they know and see the difference. Yes, you're going to know that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, put this right here, and do this as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them together. Okay, I'm just going to merge them together. So obviously this is my down part because I want the video, they know this is a video, and of course the image is already there, and I want them to see download this. So this is fine. Okay, this is fine, and there we have it. So we're going to print the evidence document right now. This is going to be our printout 1. Printout 1. Save. Okay, so it's clear. Why do we have an extra space, guys? Let me see. Delete. Okay, so we don't have. Click on save, click on file, click on print. We have this. Okay, so we have this. So I'm going to print this. This is going to be printer 1, 2021. Okay, printer 1. Then we need to check how it looks like. It's important you do a preview of your work to see that the contents are clear. The name of the CSS is there as well, and this is the code. This is the image, and this is the content. So yeah, we're looking good. So everything is fine, and so yeah, we're done. Whew, it's not been easy, guys. Apology that it's up to an hour, but I think the screenshot was a major issue, and with the fact, coupled with the fact that our video was not showing, and the only thing I was missing was the control and percentage. This is the first time they brought in percentage since 2017. So it's a lot of calculations to do to ensure that bringing in inline CSS to ensure that it fits into the images fit into cells. Okay, so please practice, don't just watch, practice, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's somewhere around here. Yes, Ajiro Tech. So please dive into this channel and subscribe. Trust me, there's a lot of stuff in here that you will be so amazed. Okay, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.